Alright guys, it's been a while since I made a video. I've been quite busy on my house. I had a bathroom that I fixed up and it started leaking again, so I had to do some work. And I'm working on another bathroom and my gym room. So I'm back in the shop today and this is what I'm working on. I'm working on this one TV dash. I'm sanding it and getting it ready for primer. And you can see all the pods switch pods here. I got 1-2 seasons that I'm working on, a 3-4 season that goes with the dash, upper console, and a going I'm sanding, and I got 4 rear blackouts. A guy emailed me. I said I was gonna get it out, but I was a little behind. I'd rather get them all shipped out at once, so I got like 3 or 4 orders. So I'm gonna get these all shipped out this week, and hopefully you'll have it before probably the first week of June. So I apologize for that. I am a little bit behind on some of my orders. And it's starting to get warm again, so I'll be out here in the shop making more parts. I know I got a bunch of orders in this year, so I've got to tackle that. And so I just want to thank everybody for your patience. And yeah, that's where I'm at. So I'm going to have these blackouts go out today or tomorrow. So if you order that, it's on the way. One TV dash is coming up next. Probably be done next week or 2 on that one, and then I'm going to be fixing all these parts to go out as well. Also guys, I was using my Knight Rider shop channel to post a lot of the videos of me working on my home, fixing it up. I'm trying to make a new channel, and I actually did make a new channel. It's called the Home Fixer. So if you haven't subscribed to that, I'll put a link in the description so you can go and subscribe to that if you were watching me fix up my house. My house is built in 1867, quite old, but there's a lot of good tips I put in there if you need help renovating your house. And that's what I'm making it for. Also, I've only got, it's fairly new. I put it up like a week ago, so I only have like 7 subscribers. And it's very difficult to get subscribers up once you start a new channel, especially now when they're censoring us. And YouTube is only like listing people that are going to get them views. So if you're a nobody and you're brand new to YouTube, you could probably put in the person's channel and it won't even pop up. And if it does, it's going to be like pages and pages and pages away from where you can actually find it. So I've noticed that. I've told people about my channel, they couldn't even find it. I couldn't even find it. I put the Home Fixer in it. I had to scroll over for probably like 5 minutes before I found it. So anyways, that's my channel, the Home Fixer. I didn't really know what to name it, so I just put the Home Fixer, something simple. I will be probably posting my home fix videos on my Knight Rider shop channel until I got the other channel up to enough subscribers where it's even worth, until I get an audience up on the other channel, because it's really there's only about 7 subscribers. So subscribe to my channel, guys. I'd appreciate it. The Home Fixer. Again, the link will be down in the description, and at the end of the video I'll actually put a playlist or a link to the Home Fixer channel that I made. And again, that's just me fixing up my home. I've been here about 3 years, so it still needs a lot of work. I got another roof I got to do. I got a lot of bathroom renovation that I'm doing right now. I got a gym that I'm building. I'm still got to paint my theater room that I built. I got a pantry room that I got to redo. So it's going to be a lot of content that I'm going to be uploading on that channel. But I'll probably also be putting it on Knight Rider shop until I get my other channel, with more subscribers. So anyways, this is Jacob, Knight Rider shop. This is where I'm at. Bodywork stage, guys. Most of the parts are made here, but I just got to do the body work.